and you know you in fucking trouble. You don't do that. You don't do that. Joseph Lamonte DeMarcus Summers, come from underneath that damn. Don't you tuck your ass back in there.
Be still, Junior. Nigga not killing you. Man, what? You got your own pillow. What are you doing?
Theo, you better not do it.
You can't block the door. We have to go, Ghost.
Ghost.
Ghost Balayage Platinum 613. We have to go.
I know you know this, Ariel, but we are black. You don't get on the counter. Get down. Get down.
Bro, I can't even work out in peace, bro. What are you doing?
Bounce that ass just like your friends do. Girl.
Gotta set this bed up.
You're not gonna tell me what you want to do. Give me your hand.
She bite me, I'll kill you. I'm warning you. She bite me, I'll kill you.